Alright guys, here we are with hopefully another fun unboxing. Let's see what's in the parcel. We shall unparcel it first, and then we'll see what's in the biddy box. The biddy box. It isn't as biddy small as I thought it might be, but it is biddy. The Zhiyun. Zhiyun, I think that's how you say it. Zhiyun. This looks very cool, guys. And again, as always, certified refurbished because I can't afford the actual thing. However, I heard very good things about this, and hopefully it is fantastic. It comes with a really nice packaging, just like the other one that I bought a while back has. But I'm
likey.